The reason that we have the tricolour as our national flag is as a result of the ideas of Thomas Francis Meagher, the young Islander. And although you had the colours, the green, white and orange together from the 1830s, they really come together as a flag, a design under him. The three colours are the true idea of the Republican movement under Wolfe Tone. The two dominant religions, Catholic and Protestant, living together in peace, and the white is the peace that unites the green and the orange together. So he sees how powerful it is, and he comes up with the idea that that is a flag for Ireland. It's a flag of peace.
The flag means to me unity, camaraderie and peace. And as a member of the Irish Defence Forces, I wear it on my shoulder, on my uniform, as does every personnel in the Defence Forces. We have been in peacekeeping missions for years. We are very open and friendly, and we are a very well-known nation.
Just even listen to the national anthem before the game even starts. I think I always had a tear in my eye. I hope it's the same now. Hopefully we can do well in the summer now coming up and inspire the next generation, because it's every young boy or girl's dream to represent their country, pull on the green shirt at any sport, and I was lucky and fortunate enough to do it quite a lot of times.
I suppose the Irish flag, and in its real meaning, is equality and representation of everyone on this island. So regardless of religion, regardless of gender, regardless of everything. And that's really said so in the proclamation back in 1916. It wasn't until I really stepped up to international level that really I recognised the real significance of being able to stick on the green, white and orange on the hat and represent my country.
As soon as I put on the green jersey, you would compete, better than you've ever done before. Wherever I went in the world, there was always an Irish flag somewhere, and as soon as you saw that, then you felt like you had a little bit of responsibility to go out there to do your best and to represent Ireland as best I could.